Hey guys, welcome to my video. So guys, this doorknob of my hallway has been malfunctioned. So I'm gonna change it and I'm gonna show you how you can change it. So the very first thing is you can buy a simple hall doorknob. It's like 1-2 installation. You can see screwdriver symbol is there. You can get it in any hardware store. I have purchased from Rona. So I'm gonna show you. Okay, so stay tuned guys. So the very first thing you're going to locate is the screws. So you see that it has got these two screws. So I'm going to use a screwdriver and I'm going to unplug these two. Okay, so now I've got the screwdriver. So I'm going to unplug these two. Okay, so I'm going to do this and then I'm going to show you more guys. So after I remove the screw, I could just pull out these two handles from both sides. So I don't have to change this because in my door there is no damage here, but it's up to you if you want to change these two. So now I'm gonna unpack the new handle and then I'm gonna show you. But before that, in order to maintain clean installation, I'm gonna remove these two also. As you can see, screws here. So I'm gonna remove these screws too. So I took that screw off too, and now I was able to take this portion too. Now I'm gonna unpack and put the stuff here. I'm not gonna do anything here because there's no damage here, but if you have a new installation, you can do this too. Okay, so I unzipped this new packet and this is what I have got. Handles, of course, both sides, the sleever, screw, this and this holder. Of course I'm not going to use this because I'm not removing it, but these things I'm going to do. And I've also got the instruction book, so I'm going to show you. So I put it here. Now I'm going to tighten the screws here at both the sides. Now when this hook is at its place, next thing is to attach this. So I'm going to take these out first, like you can dissociate. Okay, now these you see are gonna go here. Okay, you see there are holes where you have to fit like properly from this side and other side too, and then you need to tighten the screw. So that portion I'll show you. So now it is ready to use. So that's how guys, it's very simple. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.